Welcome to another episode of Local Experts Today. I'm Don Maynard with Invisio Marketing TV, and today's topic is how to find a great estate planning attorney. We're joined by Jay Fullman of the law firm J.D. Fullman, a professional corporation in La Habra, California, who will walk us through the process of finding a great estate planning attorney. Thank you, Mr. Fullman.
So thank you, Don. It's good to be here with you.
Great. My first question is, what is estate planning, and how would I know if I need an estate planning attorney?
Well, estate planning is basically taking into consideration what happens when a person dies or when a person becomes incapacitated, what's going to happen with their assets, with their family, how it's going to affect their family, both from a financial and a personal standpoint, and putting some planning and mechanisms in place so that those issues have been considered and the mechanisms are, like I said, in place in order to address those issues in the manner that the person wants them to be addressed.
Great. Well, when someone is looking for an estate planning attorney on Google, what would you suggest the criteria they use to find a great estate planning attorney?
Well, they should be looking for somebody who has the requisite education, which in essence any attorney should have, but may not have the actual experience. Having the experience that is a critical factor, and I think also one thing, if they're on looking on Google, they should find out how long an attorney's been established in that community. And although they may not be able to tell it from Google, another thing that an estate planning client is, or somebody who's interested in estate planning, what they're going to want to do is they're going to want to find an attorney that not only meets those criteria, but is also personable, somebody that they can communicate well with, and is confident will set forth their best interests considering their estate planning needs.
Well, how does your firm meet or even exceed the criteria that you've just laid out?
Well, in terms of my practice, I've been an attorney for over 30 years. I've got the appropriate level of education and experience in order to meet my clients' estate planning needs. I'm a stable member of the community. I've had the same office in La Habra for over 13 years, and I've been a resident of North Orange County for over 30 years. I've also heard from clients that I put them at ease and I'm easy to deal with, that they're confident that I will take care of their estate planning needs and do what they want done.
Okay. Well, with a number of obvious choices available when somebody's searching on Google, what sets your firm apart from some of the other choices that it might have available?
Well, other than the level of experience that I've achieved, probably one other thing of significance that sets me apart from others is when people are dealing with me or my firm, they are in fact dealing with me. I handle the initial consultation. I draft their documents. I meet with them to answer questions, to go over documents, to be there, that make sure that the documents are properly signed when everything is completed. So they're dealing with me. If they call and have questions, or if they send an email with questions, I respond to their questions and emails. So it's really the personal service that maybe they wouldn't get from some other firms that do estate planning.
When someone decides to engage your firm, can you just walk us through kind of the experience that they might have?
Sure. For me, it's important that my clients or prospective clients be well educated as much as possible, so that they know the issues that we need to deal with as far as the estate planning is concerned. They have an idea as to the information that I'll need, and have thought about what their specific needs and maybe their goals and objectives are in estate planning. So in order to accomplish those things, one of the first things I typically do is provide various materials to a prospective client dealing with estate planning so that they can become educated in the different issues involved. And I also send them a questionnaire so that they can be gathering the information that all need in order to work with them in putting together an effective estate plan that's going to satisfy and meet their needs.
Great. Well, thank you very much. It's been very informative. Is there anything else that you'd like to add?
Well, one thing that clients are clearly interested in is fees. In terms of comparison with other firms, I think my fees are typically lower. A lot of clients want to know if they can come in for an initial free consultation regarding estate planning, and so I do offer that. There's no specific charge for the initial consultation on an estate plan. I sometimes tell people it's better to see me a day too early than a day too late. There are a lot more options available if we can get those things addressed in a timely fashion. If it's a day too late due to whatever family circumstances may exist, then the options are much fewer, and they may not be able to achieve the goals and objectives that they had wanted to accomplish.
Thank you very much, Mr. Fullman.
You're welcome.
And until next time on Local Experts Today, take care.